So this is my 2021 Ram 1500 Limited, and I added running board lights so that the lights would come on when the running board extends. So I'll show you how it works here. I'll open the door. Lights come on. And this is the OPS7 60-inch light bar. I just did not hook up the turn signals and the parking lights yet. So what this works is, I originally was going to use micro switches or magnet reed switches, but I found that the magnet reed switches wouldn't support the current required to light the LEDs. Matter of fact, they fused. So I had to go a different route. I had a old dehumidifier that shot craps on me, and I took it apart for the different spare parts, and there was a couple micro switches in there and some housings, and I just used those and made brackets for it. And I posted a picture on the forums of the bracket, and I'll attempt to show you a video of that in operation. But the way these are wired up, they're independent of each other, so when this light comes on, the light on the passenger side does not come on, only when it extends. It's wired directly into a harness that I use for the rear light bar on the tailgate, so that it's a completely plug and play. So if I could remove it all, and I didn't have to cut any wires. So let's see if I can get in here and show you the operation, or what that looks like. That bracket that I put in there, you can see in there. So that's wired directly in, and you can see the contactor. So I'll open the door again. Try to do this with the camera up there. We'll pass the door here. You can see that it's just held on with double-sided automotive tape. That's all there is to it. Now I bought, in case those don't hold up in the weather, I bought a set of these kind of machinery limit switches, which are adjustable. And if I start having a problem with those, these are waterproof, chemical proof. I'll make a bracket and put a pair of these up there. These were only 10 bucks on Amazon, and they're fully adjustable. You can adjust them there, you can adjust them there for length. So, you know, if I would have had these to begin with, I would have used them instead of those other micro switches, because they're not waterproof. So at some point in time they'll fail in the weather. The other thing I did, since this is mounted into the wiring harness, I added a switch here that I can disable the lights if those switches fail or they short or something. So I can do both. And there's my light bar mounted as well. It's all wired in so that well, you can see it. So I got a separate video that I can post. Hope this helps others.